Hi, this is Colin Greatwood, Applications Engineer at LMI Technologies, and today I'll be showing you how to load or create a new blank job file after first having loaded a job with many tools. This could be really useful if you have a job with, say, 20 or 30 or 50 tools, and rather than going through and creating a new job file where you have to then delete all of the tools from the copy of the previous job file, it would be much easier to just simply load a blank job file. So that's what we're going to be doing here today. So you can see I already have loaded a job with many tools. I have a lot of tools on the right hand side here on the measure page. So I don't necessarily want to copy all of these tools to the new job. So the first thing you'll need to do is open the Manage page. Next, you have to select the Jobs tab on the left hand side. And you'll notice that my job with tools job here is set to the default. So that's going to load on PowerCycle currently. Next, click to highlight the current default job. Now click Clear Default. It'll take just a moment, but the job I have loaded will no longer be loaded on PowerCycle. Now click Reset from the Maintenance tab. This will take about 30 seconds or so to power cycle the sensor. Since there's no default job set to load when the sensor recycles its power, it will create a new blank template for us here. Now that the sensor is power cycled, I'll go to the Jobs tab on the Manage page, and you'll notice that our job with tools is still not set to the default. However, we have a new job loaded. On the measure page, you can see that this new job doesn't have any tools. So all I have to do is name and save the new job. And I can start from scratch.